Hi, and welcome to Mindset Mastery Living. I am Margrét Atladóttir and I serve women that want to take control of their lives. Haven't we all felt sometimes that life is just hitting us on the head and it's like endlessly? I sure know that I have. Thing is, I know what to do about it, how you can turn it around. And that is today's topic. Today's topic is how you make yourself feel good even though everything around you is shit. And the topic is a request from Christina, another viewer. I hope you like this one. This one is for you. Mwah. Welcome back. Today we're talking about how to make yourself feel good when everything is shit around you. Now, my tip number one is to write a list about things that make you happy. It can be small things like music that makes you happy. What songs? And that you dance around at home or whatever makes you happy. And when everything around you feels like shit, when you get that feeling, you know what to do. Tip number two. In a miserable state, you need to forgive. And start with yourself. Now, forgiveness does not magically make everything okay, right? What you're doing is you stop beating yourself up for things that you've done or said. You let go. Now this goes for other people as well. What has happened, happened. And there's not much you can do about that, is it? What you can do is let go. Now the key words here is actually control what you can control. And let go of everything that you can't control. Good luck with that one. That's not an easy peasy one. That takes some exercise. Tip number three. Remind yourself that you cannot master your life in one day. What you can do is breathe. Take a deep breath. Right down in your stomach. And remind yourself to master the moment. Master the day. And then you just keep on doing that. And you're good. Now guys, I really hope you like my videos and that you subscribe to my channel. Every Wednesday I'll give you 3 tips on a topic from a viewer. So you can write me on Insta, you can write me on Facebook, you can write on comments below, any topic, and I will give you 3 tips. And of course, I will give you something more. A free coaching session? Of course. Just give me a buzz on Insta, on Facebook, down here, and I will be in touch and we will set an appointment. That could change your life. I am Margrét Atladóttir and I will remind you of one thing, very important one. You got this!